Meaning of half-brother.
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 Half-brother. The term half-brother refers to a person who shares one biological parent with another person. When two children have the same father but different mothers, they are considered half-siblings or half-brothers. Similarly, two children having the same mother but different fathers will also be half-siblings or half-brothers. The prefix half implies that they only share half of their genetic makeup and are not full siblings. Half-siblings may have different relationships or levels of familiarity with each other depending on the circumstances surrounding their family dynamics.